This is the introduction of the SAM method, engaging employees to make a better onboarding process. My name is Kristen Bretz, and this is for the ORGD 6060 class at Bowling Green State University, spring semester 2017. Were you aware that up to 20% of employee turnover happens in the first 45 days of hire? And 22% of organizations have no onboarding process? The SAM method was made to help both current employees and new employees become more engaged in the onboarding process. This method will take current employee knowledge and instill that knowledge into the new employee. What is the SAM method? Who will the SAM method work best for? And what makes the SAM method work? All of these questions will soon be answered. This method is made for any size organization. It'll work for organizations that are both for-profit and not-for-profit. This can also be used in organizations that have multiple facilities and multiple departments. When multiple trainers are involved, they will need to work together to get all sessions completed within an agreed-upon timeline. SAM is designed to be easy to use. It consists of 4 phases: engage current employee, adapt current curriculum, work new curriculum, and engage new employees. Now, let's go further into detail about what these phases consist of. Phase 1. It starts with 3 separate sessions. Current employees will be involved. The session will start with a general conversation where major topics will be agreed upon. Smaller groups will then be formed to discuss why the topic needs to be changed in the onboarding process. The group comes back together as one. Then the one group picks the top 2 topics to be added. Phase 2 involves the trainer. The trainer looks at the topics chosen in each session. All repeated topics automatically go into the new curriculum. The trainer takes out any obsolete information, and then the trainer finalizes the new curriculum. Phase 3. This takes the adapted curriculum to the onboarding class at orientation. The trainer needs to make sure to encourage and address any questions from the new employees at that time. Phase 4. This is the integration of the new employees with the current employees. This is where the trainer can see if the transition was smooth. There are some rules for this method. They are made to make sure that the sessions cover the needed topics and not other conversations. The rules are: employees must be honest but not hurtful. Do not talk about individual performance. Employees need to be willing to listen to others, and employees are to stay on the topic of onboarding only. The SAM method came from a fusion of World Cafe, ADDIE model, Open Space, and Action Learning. There is the personal experience from being a manager in charge of training employees also. This is the SAM model. It has 4 interlocking circles showing how each part of the method involves each other. It also represents the coming together of the current employees and the new employees. Taking the SAM method to the world. The SAM method will be marketed using the 4 P's: product, place, price, and promotion. Product. The SAM method. This will be marketed to both big and small organizations who are struggling with keeping newly hired employees past the 90-day mark. Place. The target audience will be large organizations. The advantage in using a larger organization is that the method can be used more often and in more departments. The package will consist of the overall directions, outline for the sessions, best practices on adding to the curriculum, tips on how to teach adult students, and lastly, a template for the follow-up survey. The total cost for the entire package is $109.99. Promoting the SAM method will include videos on YouTube, Also, having an appearance at conferences that focus on training, organizational development, and human resources. An example, Michelle is a trainer whose company needed a major increase in turnover. She was tasked to find out why the turnover was increasing and fixing it. She called upon a peer from another organization who had given her the SIAM method. Michelle was able to get 90 employees into these sessions. Then, after the sessions, she was able to change the onboarding process and taught it. Michelle was able to fix the problem. If an organization is struggling with turnover and needs to fix it quickly, the SIAM method is a very useful tool to get results. To be able to encourage current employees and have new employees confident in starting a new job is the main purpose of the SIAM method. Thank you for taking the time to hear about it.